Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change font size on one page in Squarespace. This is particularly useful when you want certain pages to stand out with larger or smaller text without affecting your entire site's typography. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to change the font size on one specific page. Once you're inside your chosen website, look to the left side of your screen and click on Website. Underneath that option, you'll see Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This will display all the pages you currently have on your site. From this list, click on the specific page where you want to adjust the font size. Selecting the correct page is crucial here because we're targeting just one page, not your entire site. Now on the left side menu, click on Custom Code. Under that, you'll see an option for Custom CSS. Click on that. This is where we'll be adding the specific code to change the font size for your selected page. Before we dive into the code, I highly recommend using a browser extension to make this process much easier. The extension is called Squarespace ID Finder, and it helps you identify block IDs or section IDs on your page. Go ahead and install it and add it to your browser extensions. This tool is incredibly helpful for pinpointing exactly where you want your changes to apply. Once you have the extension installed, activate it, you'll see various IDs appear on your page. Click on the collection ID for the page you're editing and copy it, then paste that collection ID into the custom CSS field. This tells Squarespace exactly which page you're targeting. For this example, let's say you want to change the font size for paragraphs and heading 3 elements. After pasting the collection ID, you'll insert P for paragraph and H3 for heading 3. These are the HTML tags that represent those text elements on your page. Next, you'll add the actual font size code. Type font-size: 50px. You can adjust the 50px to whatever size you prefer, whether you want your text larger or smaller. This gives you complete control over how prominent your text appears on that specific page. Once you've entered all the code, click Save. Your changes will now be applied to that one page only, leaving the rest of your site's font sizes unchanged. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.